direct experience of I. Who am I? Ask yourself this question. It may seem that you are the body, that I am the body. But the fact is, the body changes. It is different now than it was yesterday, or it will be tomorrow. In fact, let's go to the memory of when we were children. Our body was completely different. If we were that, it means we wouldn't be able to be ourselves now. That would be someone else. But if we, for the whole life, refer to ourselves as I, how can we be the same as when we were 2, 5, 20, now? Our name. Are we our name? It may seem so. But let's take ourselves back to the time before we were named. Were we not I? Were we not the same I? What about if we change our name, or we are called differently? Are we a different I? This I which we associate with our name is not the true, the deep essence of I. Now, are we our emotions? Am I my emotions? Are you your emotions? If I'm angry, I am an angry person. If I'm happy, I am a happy person. So am I the anger and the happiness? Is it something that is constant, that I can refer to as I? It keeps changing, fluctuating. I am my thoughts. So if I don't have a thought, then I am not that. If I have a different thought, am I those thoughts? Am I just the thoughts that I think? Who is seeing those thoughts? Who is witnessing them? In fact, take a moment now and ask yourself, who is noticing the thoughts? Can you notice your thoughts? You. I. Now you are here in this body. But who is actually here in this body? And this is not a question to be answered intellectually. Just get into your body with your awareness and attempt to experience yourself. Experience the I that is sitting, that is listening. the consciousness, the awareness that is aware of you doing something, you being. You may have a glimpse of that, and it may be gone. You may have a longer experience, but it doesn't mean that this I is not present when you don't notice the I. The I is always here. And in fact, this I is not limited to this body. Imagine that you don't have a hand or a leg. Does it mean that part of the I is gone? The I would still be there. So if you are not limited to your body, where do you start? Or where do you end? Do you have a beginning? Do you have an end? Or are you unlimited, omnipresent, omnipotent? The I that we as individuals all share. There is just one I. Stretch yourself, expand the awareness of the self outside of the body, into the left, into the right. How far can you go? And if you cannot go farther, what is limiting your experience? Is it just the imagination, the mind? Expand yourself to the left and right, front and back now. And say to yourself, I am. Expand your awareness together with up and down into all sides of this universe. You seem to be in the center of this, expanding into infinite field. But now move your awareness in front of you and make it the center. Like a meter in front of you. So you are behind that center. Can you still stretch the awareness to the left, right, front, back, up and down? and be the I. Play with this as often as you want. Come back to this recording as often as you want and experience the universal I, the oneness of I, the I that it underlies everything, all of existence, past, present, future. I am.